Yep, 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 yep. Yep, yep. I feel like outside. Yep. Come on, why is this so hard to open? It's really nice outside. My plants are growing. What can I do out here though? Any bees? It's really nice. Oh look, there's a bee right there. There's a bee right there. Very nice. There you go. Nice and sunny. I'm gonna sit down. Sit down for a bit. And just enjoy the time I have. Hello. No. Hello. Ow. No. Fox on the way. Ow. No, no, no. Go away, Fox. Ow. Oh, that hurt. Well, that was a mean fox. He's still there. Could you go away now, fox? Oh, look, a butterfly. Hello. Where'd you go? Ah, there you are. Very nice. On a nice nature walk. Everything's nice. Nice garden. Yeah. I wonder what the others are doing. Where's Sister Freddy? Hello, Twisted Bonnie. Twisted Bonnie?
I'm asleep.
And then how are you talking? You just watching videos?
Yes. Aww.
Do you know where Twisted Freddy is?
No, and I'm asleep.
Come on, you gotta care.
I'm
Watching somebody play Minecraft, I
Yeah,
see.
Chippy, no, shut up.
Saquen sus platos.
What that little fox did. He's gone now. He's gone now. That's all that matters. Yeah. There's Twisted Freddy. Oh. Hey, Twisted Freddy. Yeah. Hello, Foxlin. What are you doing down here? I just wanted to get some sun. I got attacked by a fox that looked like you. Strange. How did that happen? I was just walking around. And then he just popped out of nowhere. And it just attacked me. Oh. Well, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Okay, bye. Well, there seems to be a lot of noise. Must be Bonner back there. I'm gonna lay down here for a while. That's somebody's back room. Oh, hi, Foxland. Hello. What are you doing here? Just decided to lay down. Okay. I'm gonna go to the kitchen. A lot of vacuuming going on. You know, you should go look for Toaster Freddy. Why is... Huh? Oh, yeah, you're right. Wait, why is the door open? What the... Twisted Freddy, what are you doing here? Wait, What are you doing out here? I wanted to be here, okay? You don't need to do that to me. Okay, sorry. Oh, sorry. Come on. It was nice outside. It was nice. So much noise. Ow. No one over here. Yeah. Nice little garden. Just a bunch of vacuuming. I decided to go out. Because I felt like it. But it's like super hot outside. Why did you decide to? Well, I mean, we haven't gone out much. We haven't gone out much. You're right about that. Please stop knocking me onto the floor. Please stop knocking me. Please stop knocking me off the floor. No. Stop. Okay, fine. Very nice. Twisted Bonnie. What? Twisted Bonnie's just doing what I want to do. What's Twisted Bonnie doing? Just watching somebody called Jacksepticeye playing Minecraft. Oh. Sounds like what he always does. Did a very nice job on doing this garden. Anyway, Foxy was on the... I wouldn't know what happened. What happened? Well, I was just sitting down, and then all of a sudden a fox came. It looked like Foxland. No. Yeah, and it attacked me. And it went away. Yeah. I'm just gonna lie. I'm gonna lie here for a bit. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Okay, have fun doing what you're doing. Okay, I'm just gonna sit down here again. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye. Still watching videos, I see. It's been a while. It's been a long day. Looks really nice. Bonnet, wake up. What do you want? Twisted Bonnie, what you doing? Twisted Bonnie, wake up. Oh, I see he's asleep. I'm gonna go outside with Twisted Freddy. Wait, how do you know? Because I saw you were laying down the whole time. Well, I was awake. And I went to sleep after all. Just ready? Hi. It's really nice out here. I can see why you decided to come. Yeah. This fly die. Die fly. Where are you? Well, it's a really nice garden. And more vacuuming. This has been really nice. Yep. Okay, bye.